49. Calling good evil. This past Sunday, a young mother approached me to report a shocking incident. She'd taken her 7-year-old son to a skating rink, a school outing. Her baby was with her, and as usual, she breastfed it, as always modestly covered and not in the slightest exposed. The rink manager in a city rink where vulgar display and secular play are commonplace ordered her to stop or get out. Surprising? Well, I find that a major amusement park in Southern California, where rock concerts are common, has a similar rule. When I was a boy and when I started my ministry, breastfeeding during the services was commonplace. No one thought anything of it. I don't think we are better people now. Now, in our quote-unquote enlightened days of the sexual revolution, the drug culture, quote-unquote gay or homosexual rights, and so on, it seems that normal motherhood is intolerable. Every kind of immodesty and immorality is permitted and defended, but a normal act of motherhood leads to a threat, and an inference that the police might have to be called. The Lord has a word for all such. Woe unto them that call evil good and good evil, that put darkness for light and light for darkness, that put bitter for sweet and sweet for bitter. Isaiah 5:20. Whenever we reverse the moral order, whether in things small or great, we involve ourselves in a moral revolution. We call evil good and good evil. To do so puts us at war with God's purposes, and it means that we want the world to meet our terms rather than the Lord's. We have a world today much concerned about the quote-unquote rights of a homosexual, but not concerned about a nursing mother's rights or the rights of aborted babies. The word rights is fast becoming a name for legitimized evil, but perhaps the worst evil is indifference. None of the spectators, including other schoolmothers, opened their mouths to protest when the rink manager threatened the young mother.